How to use the trading features. Trading features can help you better manage your trades, trade risk, and results. Cancel an open trade. You can cancel open trades before they are closed if necessary to effectively manage your trading risks. Find an active trade you want to cancel in the Trades section. Click the button that displays the amount you will receive as a result of canceling. A trade can only be cancelled in the first few seconds after opening. The exact time interval within which you can cancel a trade depends on the closing time, the trade amount, and the settings of the trading asset. Double up feature. To quickly place a second trade, use the double up feature. Select an active trade you want to double up in the Trades section and click on the double up button. A new trade will be opened with a new price and opening time. Rollover feature. Use the rollover feature to increase profits and minimize loss risks. Rollover allows you to extend an open trade for the same expiration time. Click on the rollover button. The trade opening time remains unchanged. The function is available only in the first half of the trade duration, and its availability depends on the settings of liquidity providers of the selected asset. Monitor trades and trade results. View active trading sessions without distracting yourself from trading. Go to the Open tab to view active trades. Select the Close tab to view closed trades. Here, you can find out whether your forecast was correct and whether the trade was profitable. Locate the trading history to view the history of your real trades. Use the trading features and earn with Pocket Option. Try now. Follow the link in the description.